Welcome to Mandara Loft. Got a call from Carlos, you know which one you are, West Palm, asking about the chocolates. I'm sorry, I went through everything. I can't find one. So you're just gonna have to wait another month or two before something comes up that's available. We had a guy from Minnesota called, wanted to know what I had for birds that are available. The pie cock, that white splash cock, and the blue hen, those are gabbies. They're $100 a piece. And their young one, let's see, their young one is that blue bar with the little blue with the peppered head. There's another one. The other one I'm keeping for myself. So I'm getting rid of the parents and I'm keeping the baby. The little grizzle in the back, this guy over here, that's a Bastine. Is that a Bastine? Let me think about that a minute. No. No, that's a Golden Madden. This is a Gabby and Golden Madden, mostly Golden Madden. It's like 1/3 Gabby, and the rest is 1/4 Gabby, and the rest is Golden Madden, which is a Jansen. This little grizzle, that's out of my white checkers and pies. That is a Bastine. That's all that's available at this point. The young ones are $50 a piece. The two adults, $100. And that's it for, probably going to be for a couple of weeks, because all the other babies are really too small. This one here is a little small as it is. He's got probably a week before I could let him go. He could eat and drink by himself right now, but he can't fly, so if you don't have a place where he can get to the water, it wouldn't be any good. So another week, maybe he can get around, hop around. That's it. And anybody I missed from the other day? Connie from New Jersey, my cousin. Say hello to Angie for me. Hope she's doing better. Nice talking to you this week. Had a couple of calls from all around the country. Guys looking for birds. You see what I have? That's it. Guess I'll see you next week. Come on down, open up a pastry shop. I can use some cream donuts. You know, feeling better. Goodbye. I'm out.